Before we start today's video, I want to talk about why you should start reading more in 2025. 2013 में एक स्टडी की गई थी बाय एमरी यूनिवर्सिटी एंड उसमें उन्होंने देखा रीडर्स का MRI किया. They found that the deeper reader went into the story, the more area of their brain was activated. Even more surprisingly, the activity stayed elevated several days after participants finished the book. So in short, reading can actually help you process information more efficiently and strengthen your brain. And on the top of that, reading can help you improve your communication skills and English speaking skills like very drastically. So if you are like me and want to start reading more in 2025, 2024 को मैंने as a experimental year try किया था to read, and even though I didn't read much but I read some, so I'm going to help you today in starting reading. If you are thinking to start reading from 2025, this video is going to be life changing for you. पर सबसे पहले बात करते हैं how you can make effective reading a habit, and after that I'll give you 5 short book recommendation जो मैंने पढ़ी and I enjoyed it a lot and I really hope that you will also read them. So let's start today's video, and if you're new here I talk about your career, your personality, your professional development and 20s motivation things you can do to improve your 20s better. So make sure that you are subscribed to this channel if you don't want to miss this kind of content. So my first advice is, if you're going to start reading, this is what I did. I bought a new Kindle. एंड एक नॉवेल्टी इफेक्ट करके फिनोमिना होता है जब आप कोई नई वाटर बॉटल लाते हैं, यू ड्रिंक मोर वाटर फ्रॉम इट. दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंड टू मी व्हेन आई न्यूली बॉट माय किंडल. आई वाज यूजिंग इट मोर बिकॉज इट वाज समथिंग न्यू एंड फैंसी फॉर मी. सो इफ यू कैन इन्वेस्ट राइट नाउ, आई वुड सजेस्ट इन्वेस्टिंग इन किंडल, एंड प्लस you can download a lot of books and read it from there. This video is obviously not sponsored, but before that you can obviously buy some new books that you find fancy, and start reading with them. Once you like go through 3-4 books, and if you can invest in Kindle, then it would be a great way for you to start reading on the base of the fancy thing you have bought. Another tip I would say, if you are a new reader, to follow it, do not start with self-help books. Social media pe a lot of people are promoting ki read Atomic Habit and the Psychology of Mind and stuff like that, but those books can quickly get very boring. Instead, I will like you to select some fictional books, some short story books जो जल्दी finish हो जाती हैं. And if you finish your book जल्दी से, then it will encourage you to read more and finish more books. But start with some small short fictional book rather than reading all those tons of self-help books. Now these are the 2 things that worked for me. Another thing is that reading before bed, and this tip has been a game changer for me. So what I do, I always put a book in my Kindle and make sure as soon as I go to bed, I just open them and read them. Instead of scrolling phone, I have decided to replace it with the book. So you can do this. This is like a very small effort it will take from your part, क्योंकि हम कभी-कभी क्या होता है ना, नहीं मूड में होते हैं, लेकिन you have to make up your mind every day. It's up to you how you choose it. So what I do is, instead of scrolling on phone, I just pick up a book, and जब तक मुझे नींद आती है तब तक I read it. And जैसे बचपन में बोलते थे कि अगर आप किताबें पढ़ोगे तो आपको नींद जल्दी आ जाएगी. It is true. Now these were my 3 recommendation and 3 psychological tips you can use to start reading more in 2025. But before December ends, I would suggest कि तुम 1-2 books को पढ़ो already to get the head start. Like January 1st के लिए कोई book को मत रखो कि मैं January 1st से start करूंगा. Take this resolution early on. अभी से ही जो है बुक्स 1-2 उठा लो एंड थोड़ा बहुत से पढ़ना चालू करो. सो आई हैव दिस 5 book recommendations for you that you should start your reading with, and these are all beginner friendly. मैंने खुद ने ये इन बुक्स के साथ अपना रीडिंग जर्नी स्टार्ट किया है, and I hope you are going to like it. So let's get started. Okay, so first one we have on list is Matilda. Roald Dahl ने लिखी हुई है ये बुक. This book I was teaching when I was a tutor, and I was teaching it to a kid in the school. जैसे स्कूल्स में नहीं होता कि दे गिव यू 1 book फॉर अ सेमेस्टर, ऐसे ही उसको रोल्ड डाल की ये बुक मटिल्डा दी गई थी. इट वाज सच अ ग्रेट बुक. स्मॉल बुक थी, चिल्ड्रन की बुक थी, एंड वो हमको आई थिंक 4 महीने में खत्म करनी थी, 4 महीने में खत्म करनी थी. बट वी डिड इट विद इन 1 week बिकॉज द बुक वाज सो इंटरेक्टिव. सो दिस इज माई फर्स्ट रिकमेंडेशन. इफ यू आर समबडी हु हैवंट स्टार्टेड रीडिंग, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम अ चिल्ड्रंस पर्सपेक्टिव, बिकॉज आई फील लाइक कि किसी भी चीज में अगर हम बच्चे का पर्सपेक्टिव रखते हैं ना, तो हम ज्यादा उसको एंजॉय करते हैं, बिकॉज because things aren't that serious. हम लाइफ में चीजों को बहुत सीरियस लेते हैं, but if you start it with a kid's perspective, things will not be very serious and you will start on a right foot. Now, if not Matilda from Roald Dahl, you can also read books by Ruskin Bond. You can also read books by Ruskin Bond. He also has some amazing children's book, and I think this is the best way for you to start reading, because क्या होगा ना कि it's a very unserious story, very fun stories, and you will enjoy it more. बहुत bit size content रहते हैं वो. The second book I have for you is Of Mice and Men by John Steinbeck. This is an amazing read. अभी मैंने कुछ दिन पहले ही पढ़ी है ये book. It is about two friends and how they both impact each other lives. जैसे if you hang out with a friend जिसकी वजह से आप कुछ achieve नहीं कर पाते, तो you will relate to this book a lot because it shows how your circle is very important for you. Do give it a read. I really loved it. Very small book, very quick book it was. I think you can finish it in like 1 or 2 days or even in one sitting. I think कुछ 100 pages के अंदर ही है, so that is one of the most amazing book I have ever read. Now the third one I have is a little heavy book, I would say. It's an Animal Farm by George Orwell, and if you are a fan of socialism and Karl Marx and Russian Revolution, then ये book बहुत सही है. You should definitely give this book a try. थोड़ा सा मुझे heavy लगा for a beginner reader, but still a great way to transition from beginner to a little advanced level. So this book can also be a great way for you to start reading in 2025. On the top of that, मुझे इस book की सबसे अच्छी बात ये लगी कि today's society is such a capitalist society, and this book has exactly shown how people are living their life with all those capitalist ideas, and in such a light manner this book has presented it. And this book is like something how we all want to travel the world and want to leave everything behind, but हम नहीं कर पाते. This book shows exactly how you can travel more. The fourth one we have is The Alchemist. ये book मैंने बहुत पहले पढ़ी है, but I have advised recently my husband to read this and he is going through it right now. And if you are someone who is seeking motivation, purpose in life, or guidance on pursuing your dream, this book is highly recommended. It's about a guy who decides to travel the world and seek his purpose. So I think this book will inspire you a lot. Also, it's a very small book. I think you can read it in 1 week if you go slowly on it. So now the last one I have is The Little Prince. Once again, it's a small book and it's a children's book if you ask me. But even with the children's book, it is wonderful. I have found this book so interesting, and I was teaching this book to one of my students for her communication skill. The book is exactly telling you difference between how children and adults see the world, noting that children are better at seeing beauty and value in simple things, important things like flower. बहुत ही comfortable सी comfort वाली book है. You should definitely read it. Okay, मैंने भी अभी बहुत ज़्यादा books नहीं पढ़ी हैं, बहुत कम ही books पढ़ी हैं, but these are the top 5 recommendation from my side if you are starting reading more. 2025 में we are going to start reading more, and I'll try to bring more of such book reviews on my channel. If you have anything that you have read as a beginner and you want to suggest it to me, please let me know in comments. I'll be very happy to give it a try. And let me know what are your resolution for 2025, as हमारे पास अब शायद 5-7 दिन ही बच गए हैं. So what are you thinking to start? And one advice I would give you कि जो भी start करने का सोच रहे हो ना, आज से स्टार्ट कर दो, क्योंकि बाय द टाइम 2025 स्टार्ट होएगा, तुम ऑलरेडी यूल हैव अ हेड स्टार्ट ऑन थिंग्स ऑलरेडी. यूल बी ऑलवेज इन द हैबिट ऑफ दिस. सो वेदर यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ लूजिंग वेट, और वेदर यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ रीडिंग मोर बुक्स, और वेदर यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ स्टार्टिंग समथिंग न्यू, सम स्किल और एनीथिंग, आज से स्टार्ट करो. दिस इज द बेस्ट लाइफ हैक आई विल गिव यू. Alright, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have subscribed to this channel. If you like this video, please give it a like. And I hope to see you again. I hope कि हमारा ये relationship with New Year more and more prosperous होए. So thank you so much for watching, and let me know in comments what do you suggest that I read more.